Magandang hapon po ng April 30, 2024 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng April 30, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, April 30, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for April 30, 2024 Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 103.5 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 40 million pesos. And Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 33.5 million pesos for Tuesday, April 30, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for April 30, 2024 Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.